guys, welcome back to Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you found us. And if you keep coming back, thank you so much. You're very important to me. Today I have a great little mini haul for you, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the next few videos on this channel. I apologize for not getting this video up yesterday. If you're new, I suffer from migraines occasionally, and I had one yesterday. Also, our week is a little bit off with our filming because my daughter is visiting for the first time in a year from Seattle, and she's going to be moving out of the country, so I wanted to spend as much time with her as possible. They are currently on a mini trip during their bigger trip, so I thought today's a good day to film a video. And like I said, it's a mini art haul, but it's going to have a lot of different things in it. So let's just jump in. Before we get started though, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button with that little bell and click all on those notices. You're going to see I have a lot of great videos and you're not going to want to miss out. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Or at the end, if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That'll just help me out. And leave me a comment below. What was your favorite thing in the haul? Okay, now let's jump in. And we're going to start with the most non-art thing. Well, two non-art things, and then we'll work our way to the most art things. This is, I don't know if you all know or not, I have a vintage resale business, and this was a beautiful red mid-century modern ice bucket I got that I'll be putting in my Etsy shop. You could store stuff in it. It's really heavy. It's really cool. But anyway, so I got the red ice bucket. And then we went to see my mom because, of course, my daughter had to go see her granny. And my mom gave us these. And these are a trip. If your hands are arthritis-y or, you can't grab bottles to open, this little tab right here, if you have a soda can and it has the tab on it, that flips under the tab so you can pop it and then pop your soda open. And this is for bottles. You just set it on your water bottle or Coke bottle and twist. And then this one is if you have like a root beer bottle with the metal grippy on it. I can't think of what they're called right now, but that's for that. So this is an all-in-one. It's really kind of cool. I don't know where she got them, probably Amazon. But she gave me 4 of these, and I just think they're so cute. And I think they're so cute, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Okay. Now starting to move into the art stuff. When we were at the antique mall where I got this, I found these handmade. They had all sorts of insects. And of course, if you know anything about me, I love bees. So we got this really great, let's see if I can get you in some better light for this. I got this really great, it's just not gonna, I got this really great hand-thrown, hand-painted, decorated bee bowl. And it literally has, I don't know why it's so dark. And it literally has a bee in it. Isn't that pretty? I just think it's so pretty. It's so fun. And you can see it's raw fired clay on the back. And there's texture. It's raised inside. It's just really a cool bowl. And I thought I would put that in the bedroom and put rings and jewelry in it. Okay, now let's move into more of the art stuff. I don't know how many of you remember, but I got clay for Christmas, and I haven't used it yet because I was a little intimidated, but I said, you know what, I really want to use it. So I got some really adorable little clay cutters. These are hard to tell, but they're like little frogs. These are different little frogs. There's several in there, but they're just like little cookie cutters, but for clay. So I thought these would make some cute pins. I got pen backs so I could make pens with them. So I'm going to make froggy pens. And then these ones are, this one is a little smaller combs. And there's the little honeycomb. This is the little bee. And these are really tiny, very, very small. There's the bee. There's the honeycomb. They're really small. They're very small. And I got the teeniest magnets to go on the back of those. So that's exciting. So we will be doing clay next week, and we'll be making froggy little pins and bee themed magnets, which we will be painting. And then if you've watched several of my videos recently, I've been talking about an easy resin that brushes on. Well, this is it. I just got it today. I had to wait on it to be shipped. It's from Blick. I used to get it at Michael's. They don't carry it anymore. So there we go. So now we are all ready to play with our clay for the first time. And like I said, that will be coming next week. Then the last thing I got for our haul are some books. Now, this butterfly book I got at an estate sale I went to last Friday. And it's just full of a lot of great pictures, and I thought this would be excellent for doing painting, practicing, you know, pick a butterfly, paint from one. There's just so many different colors. Plus, I can always keep it to learn more about butterflies as well. Then this was a pre-order from my mama. She got me my favorite artist, Judy Chicago. This is the latest one of her biographies, and it's a hardcover. Isn't it cool? The book cover is just really cool, and I got it today. And then I don't know if you know or not, I've been teaching myself Procreate, and I've hit a block where I need a little more help. So I got this Procreate, how to create art on the iPad to learn some of the secret tricks with Procreate. And then I got this one to do characters. So I got both of these books. And then at an estate sale, I got this. I don't know if you know, but I collect vintage cookbooks. Well, this is a vintage gardening book. And the cover is beautiful. I thought that would be fun to paint, practice watercolors, or those kind of things. And then there's beautiful images all in here. Plus there's fun gardening tips too. So it's going to be art inspiration and gardening inspiration. And then we went to... And then for Father's Day, we went to the mall, and they were having all sorts of good sales. So I got the Law's Guide to Nature Drawing and Journaling for a nature journal. And there's a lot of... I love birds. I love nature. I mean, there's like ducks. They talk about journaling techniques for nature, how to draw ladybugs. Just a lot of information. Bears, so it ranges, all kinds of outside stuff, trees, landscapes, and I just love nature, so I'm excited about that. And then my main paint I use all the time is acrylic painting, but I also love to watercolor, so I got this book too, which I thought would be a lot of fun and give me some tips and tricks for making my watercolors next level. So that's our mini art haul. I hope you enjoyed that. It was fun. I almost forgot. I went to the estate sale last week, and I got all these magazines for 5 cents a piece. They're all HGTV magazines, but they're going to be great for home decor ideas, color ideas, and if nothing else, creating journals and a lot of ephemera from these. So stay tuned, because we're going to be talking about these more in the future too. And I did want to give you kind of a sneak peek of what's coming up on the channel as well. Of course, today we have our mini haul. Then on Friday, we're going to make sun art and review a sun paper kit. I've got that coming from Amazon. It'll be here today, and like I said, that'll be up on Friday. And I have some ideas to use the imprint you get with that. So stay tuned. That's going to be an interesting one. It's something new, something different, and I'm excited because it'll be great for journals, for framing artwork for your home, just a lot of stuff. And then on Monday, we'll get back on track and we'll have our 3 videos next week. We're going to have ideas for making and using your own appliques. We're going to have ideas for we'll have Let's Play with Clay for the first time, create magnets and more. That'll be next Wednesday. And then next Friday is what is a flowy trash journal and how to put it together. So there's a lot of great videos coming your way. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button with that little bell. Guys, thanks for being here for our mini haul. I hope you enjoyed everything. Don't forget, leave me a comment down below. What was the thing you liked the best? What were you most excited about? Thanks for being here. I will see you on Friday, and we're going to do that sun paper, sun imprinting review, and a lot of ideas to use it. So come back. Bye, guys.